Let me show you my carrots. I did some carrots in these wicking tubs, and I've got my well cut off to that faucet right there, so I don't have access to water unless I drag the hose from over there by the well. But I cut these faucets off, just drain them for winter time. But did real good. Some of them germinated better than others. This is a Bolero, and it just filled up that wicking tub. This is that purple looking, got a yellow and purple in that. All of them looking good. I've got some that didn't germinate quite as well, and it could have been I washed the seed away because that seed is so small. But that is an envy, and all three of these three are envy carrots, and something like I say, that one just didn't germinate well, and the fact that everything else did leads me to believe that it was probably me with a little bit too much force when I watered it, and I messed the seed up, uncovered it. But looking good so far. I'm not going to pull anything for you because it's not near that ready. But shoot, that's a good stand of carrots right there. That's going to be 20, 30, 50, who knows. I will probably come in here at some point in next month or so and pull a few and to thin, and also to see their stage of development, just to see how they're doing and see if it's even getting close to time to pull them. But these wicking tubs will be where I plant tomatoes, peppers, squash, things like that. So I'm going to need them for later plantings. So these will be pulled up by, I would say, middle of March or so, when probably I'm going to be planting my bedding plants, tomatoes and stuff like that. So anyway, I just want to show you the carrots. Some of them look good. I mean, some of them look really good. Some of them don't look so good. And that's not a bad stand. This is all, that's envy, Bolero, and then that purple envy, I think it's called. No. Purple Elite, I think that says. Purple Elite. And it germinated well, but carrots, I got them. I'm not a big carrot grower. I like carrots. My soil has always been so terrible that it's just been hard to grow carrots in anything except a raised bed where I can make sure the soil is pliable and loose, or in back to Eden, after I've done a deep mulch like I have here, and then come in there and let it compost for years and years and years, and then it makes some good soil, and then I can put some carrots in it. But that's what I got. That is my stand of carrots, and we'll show you more when it comes closer to harvest. How about that? All right, we're gone.